Hello and welcome everyone to AABN's 60th webinar series. Let me begin by thanking the core committee members of AABN who have cooperated closely with the task force in organizing this event. This webinar series by AABN is indeed an eclectic one, bringing together small business owners, lenders, technical assistance providers, government officials, and members of the academic community to explore the challenges faced by today's entrepreneurs and to identify promising approaches to addressing their need. Events such as this one is particularly valuable because they allow us to draw on a broad range of experiences and evidence. We are keenly interested in hearing your insights and look forward to sharing results from AABN's continued small business outreach. We have got an awesome speaker with fresh perspectives on brand brewing through business model, today's evolving customers to address us. Let me extend a very warm welcome to our eminent guest speaker, Mr. M. Vasant Kumar, to this interactive business networking session. The contribution of entrepreneurship and innovation to economic prosperity has grown in the shift of the global economy towards a mode of production in which knowledge has become a very key input. The challenges of the knowledge economy originally interested the most advanced economies, but are now critical to growth in emerging economies as well. Vigorous entrepreneurship and SME development are among the most important conditions for successfully meeting the challenges. Increased competition, growing incomes, and new technologies have reduced the average lifetime of products and reduce the possibilities of product standardization and large-scale production. The growing importance of knowledge as a factor of production means that innovation is ever more related to creativity, and the latter fits better the modus operandi of entrepreneurs and small firms. Design thinking and developing a business model are essential components for coming up with our business idea or expanding the growth of our business. In today's webinar, we will get to understand more about how to incorporate design thinking in all aspects of a business to stimulate growth and innovation. We will also get a glimpse of how to use the business model canvas to organize and test our ideas so that we can minimize the risk of failure and maximize the potential for success. Mr. Vasant Kumar will be sharing some pertinent ground rules and some valuable best practices that he has learned directly from using the canvas in this field. The pace of adoption is uneven across companies. Lack of clear vision strategy and a systematic roadmap are the biggest challenges hindering branding, business modeling adoption. Well, most of us are seeking answers to questions such as what is branding? How can branding, business modeling benefit my company? Where should I start? What are my gaps today and what are the opportunities tomorrow? To help our entrepreneurs get started on branding and business modeling, Mr. M. Vasant Kumar will help our entrepreneurs to identify which aspects we must address to harness the full potential of a transition. At a juncture we find ourselves in today, thanks to the pandemic, there can be no one more fitting than Mr. Vasant Kumar to address, enlighten, and take questions from this diverse group on brand brewing through business model, today's evolving customer. Vasant Kumar is a business mentor for SaaS startups. He is also a senior advisor at Samara Capital as the EAR for the portfolio of companies. He was earlier managing director of Lifestyle International and headed lifestyle and home center formats in India. Prior to that, as executive director of Max Fashions India, Vasant has conceptualized and led the brand's aggressive growth plans since its inception in 2005. Max is now the largest omni-channel mono brand in the value fashion segment with close to 400 stores across 120 cities. Vasant also conceptualized Easy Buy retail format, a homegrown value apparel concept for the tier 2 cities in India, and mentor it to become profitable. Easy Buy is distributed across 100 exclusive stores and Spar hypermarket shop-in-shops in the country. He has also spent a decade with Madura Garments, handling the premium and popular brand portfolios. He has also worked with Hindustan Lever Limited, TTK Prestige, and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Vasant was recognized amongst the top 100 retail icons over the past 25 years and by Images in 2019. He had also been awarded the Retail Professional of the Year by CAMAI in 2015 for his contribution to the outstanding growth of Max Fashion India, and also got Retail Leadership Award at Indian Retail Congress in April 2016. Vasant is a certified CEO coach from Coaching Foundation of India. He is also a Marshall Goldsmith certified stakeholder-centered team coach and a certified practitioner of Business Model U by Tim Clark. He also completed business model coaching practicum with Bruce Eisen. Vasant is a BE Mechanical from Anna University and an MTech in Aeronautical Engineering from IIT Madras, and also holds a MBA from XLRI Jamshedpur. With a speaker like Mr. Vasant Kumar lined up with distinguished experience, I'm not going to extend my speech. as we discuss different emerging views and innovations in the industry, the opportunities and challenges. I believe today is going to be a day of learning for each one of us. Hope you all have a very engaging and enriching day that's beneficial for the future of your careers and the industry at large. Thank you, and over to Mr. Vasant Kumar.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Gopi, for the introduction. In fact, I am very happy to be part of this webinar organized by the Annamalai Alumni Business Network. I should say this is one of the very good initiative taken by the alumni. Typically, what happens is alumni engineering, they end up sticking to engineering as the main field, and bulk of the interactions and sessions and all are focused on that. Here I see a different perspective. You have brought in business. In fact, I always believe that whatever you do, it has to be linked to a business. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. While I had studied engineering and then subsequently got into management, the one which inspired me actually is running a focused business. That's what my career also was all about. Either building brands, building businesses, or creating brands, creating businesses from scratch. Right through my career, I was fortunate enough to be given opportunities for that. I was just browsing through the AABN network. It's a worldwide network, and you have excellent association. I could see some sessions, collaboration with HBR, and also with various universities and with the luminaries in the industry. This is a stellar effort which this alumni association has taken. I'm sure in these kind of times where one need to reinvent, reimagine, these sessions will go a long way in contributing to the alumni fraternity. Now, before I start my presentation, I just want to also put it in context in terms of why business model. See, today, it's not that only people who are running business needs business model. If anything and everything, you need this business model approach. Today, you would have seen the last 2 weeks of IPOs. Many success stories were there, but there is also one business which did not take off. The IPO did not take off as expected. And the biggest topic of discussion is problem with the business model. They are saying this particular IPO did not take off because their business model doesn't justify their valuation. It doesn't mean other business models justify their valuation. All I'm saying is, for anything you do, business model is in the heart of it. And particularly with entrepreneurs like you, it's important that not only you have a clarity in the business model, what you're doing, but you need to keep updating it every 2-3 years. Otherwise, very soon, your earlier business model will get outdated. So this is a quick preamble on the importance of business model. Now, I will just take you through my journey. It's almost 4-decade journey. I'll try to put it in a nutshell so that we can have an overview on that.